This video will show you how to upload lab information onto a TBS1000B EDU oscilloscope and how it can be used in a classroom environment. Typically, a classroom lab setup will include instruments, circuit components, wires, and a printed lab manual. Traditionally, the lab manual has been used as a reference and provides step-by-step instructions on how to perform the experiment. The integrated courseware feature of the TBS1000B EDU eliminates the need for printed manuals by displaying lab content directly on the oscilloscope, providing educators with a way to efficiently manage and update lab material and reduce printing costs. The first step is to insert a USB drive that contains a PC Editor courseware file into the USB drive located on the front of the oscilloscope. After the drive is verified, press the front panel Utility button to access the utility menu. Find the Update Course option and press the corresponding button. Navigate through the USB drive files using the multi-purpose knob to select your X package file and then press the Upload Course button. After it's completed, the uploaded courseware can be accessed by pressing the front panel Course button. The courseware menu will appear on the screen. Students will be able to select a course using the scope soft keys on the right, and then select the appropriate lab using the multi-purpose knob. The TBS1000B EDU can access up to 8 courses, and each course can have multiple labs. The only limitation is that the entire X package file cannot exceed 100 megabytes, which can be easily monitored when the file is created in the PC courseware application. Once a lab is selected, the menu on the right shows the options for reviewing and performing the lab. You choose an option by pressing the corresponding side bezel button, and you scroll through the information using the multi-purpose knob. The overview screen is used to provide basic information about lab objectives, theory, and equipment requirements. The procedure screen is used to provide step-by-step instructions on performing the experiment, setting up equipment, and taking measurements. The Data Collect button provides an easy way to navigate to the oscilloscope screen. When viewing the scope, the Step option is used to associate the current measurement screen to a specific step in the procedure, and the Save Result option saves the current screen image to a USB drive along with the assigned step information. Once the lab is finished, you can prepare a complete lab report using the Report option. A folder labeled with the student's ID and the lab title is automatically saved to USB. It creates an HTML file and a file folder that contains all the screen images saved from the lab. As you can see, the TBS1000B EDU and courseware application can help electronic labs become more efficient by eliminating the need for paper lab material, providing an easy way to access and update lab information, and create an easy way for students to take measurements and document their findings. And all of this is done directly on the oscilloscope. Now you can see how the TBS1000B EDU can help students get more out of their experience.